This is my Season Pass series. I'll be sharing my top tips on dealing with all the stuff that can cause your pet health problems throughout the year. Let's start this one off with a bang. Fireworks. For some, it can be a beautiful celebratory display, but for pet parents, it can be the absolute worst. If your cat or dog gets anxious during fireworks season, trust me, they are not alone. But while fireworks can't be avoided completely around Bonfire Night, New Year's, and for my Americans, 4th of July, there are some things you can do ahead of time to keep your pet calm when the rockets start flying. Number 1, know your opponent. Although Bonfire Night is officially the 5th of November, we know that it's very common to hear fireworks being set off at different times and on the days leading up to or after this date. So get ahead of the schedule. Keep an eye on local social media and your council website for any planned firework displays. You can also ask your neighbors to give you a heads up if they're planning on any firework displays at home so you can plan a stress-free evening for your pets. At the times you know your area is going to be full of distressing noises, you can ramp up your efforts to control how those sounds enter your home and the calming measures that you have in place. Number 2, prep for the worst case scenario. It's quite common for pets to get lost during these holidays when they're scared and trying to get away from the noise. They sometimes get out by accident or run away if a firework goes off when you're out for a walk. Because of this increased risk, I'd recommend making sure your pet's microchip information is up to date, as well as your contact information with your vet. You should let your dog out to pee early before the fireworks begin, and make sure your cat is kept indoors from dusk and throughout the night. Number 3, create a calm and cozy den. It can be helpful for your pet to have a calm place to retreat to when fireworks are just too much. If your dog is small, or if you have one, I recommend getting a crate that you can cover and put things over, like blankets and their toys, anything they find comforting. If you get them used to going to this spot in the lead up to the fireworks, they'll know it's a safe place for them to retreat to. For Jordy, it's the corner of the couch. Similarly for cats, make sure you keep them inside when you know fireworks are going to be let off, and let them have some space in a room where they can relax. Number 4, play relaxing music or distracting sounds. Playing relaxing music is a popular way of keeping dogs and cats calm because it goes some way to block out the sound of fireworks outside. There are plenty of pet-friendly playlists and radio shows to choose from. Alternatively, you can also use your TV or radio. Whichever option you choose, our pets are individuals, and it's about finding the option that works best for them. You may also have success playing fireworks sounds on your TV or your speakers leading up to the day that you expect the real deal. Starting this a few weeks before can sometimes help desensitize your pet to those types of sounds. You can start quietly and then slowly increase the volume over time. You can praise and reward your pet for being calm around these sounds to help show them that they are safe despite the noise. Number 5, exercise and play. On Bonfire Night, you may want to skip your usual early evening walk to avoid the first fireworks of the night up close. However, exercise is a great way of reducing anxiety in dogs, so it may help them to release any pent-up energy before the fireworks are set off. It's best to schedule your activities early in the day while it's still light out to avoid any surprise sounds. Number 6, reward good behavior. Pets pick up on their owners' attitudes and behaviors. Keeping evenings as normal as possible will make a massive difference to both their stress levels and yours. When you see your pets showing calm, positive behavior, make sure you reward them. Treats and praise are going to do so much more for you than telling them off for nervous or negative behaviors. We want to avoid creating any negative associations that might trigger further anxiety going forwards. Finally, if you're really concerned about your pet's response to firework night or that their anxious behavior is becoming a problem, get in touch with your vet. They may be able to discuss different supplements or prescription medications for keeping your pet calm, or refer you to a certified pet behaviorist.